Because menshia so biggest challenge. Menshia man big from. To menshia there no go area to some of us what we know. Elvis Arthur Fofi Bishop is that name. Let the CEO tell us vividly about when the government made it clear to rebuild the maternity center if it had the money then. I don't know, said that time now office.
No, it ought to have been completed by now.
Yes.
But for domestic debt exchange program, any the current exigencies.
Bright Ousubwedu, I am a staff at Konfanochi Teaching Hospital. When they ask me to go to A block or B block, I don't want to go all because of the building. Because I'm afraid. Coach Afrani, kudos to the government. Okay, I think Bright, also your staff for Confirm Mohammed Brakofi, good morning. Of Kofi, CEO Kofi Man Zaid. Kofi, CEO is saying the truth. And that truth is not different from what is happening in all government institutions in Kumasi. Also the MMT, Central Market, and many more. Poor management.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Oh, say
Metro Mass Transit.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Metro Mass. And all kind of. Okay. Augustine Kwajobuafo. Doctor, Obise Misa say. So where are the money they have been charging the patients?
No, I think I spoke to IGF Asem. Say you don't know. And the service we provide.
Okay.
No one yede yes.
Okay.
Inti okasi emphasize kano and then konkoto machines are. Enye.
Okay.
Bibi anyway the bebo ye ho bra.
Akoma FM 87.9
Okay. So now let's come back to so far nipa do saying NIA donation.
I don't have it off the top of my head, but quite a large
significant
number of people have.
But yenya saying from pledges to physical cash in average. Are we in percentage? It don't you may not code the money.
You can't pledges now.
Yeah.
Nina can yenya more than 50%
of the $10 million now.
Yes. You can't pledges nina boma.
Hey. And that is very encouraging.
On any kind.
Akoma FM
yes.
Just Musi offer one block.
Yes.
Fidelity see offer one block.
Yeah.
Isaac see offer one floor. Inti aye two blocks and then 2 floors.
Okay.
A car 1 block and 2 floors. But the entire aye to say 50% here because sewage. And it's animal in part.
And to almost for 1 block now they fixing the entire thing and what design.
Yeah. Everything.
According to your plans.
Yes.
Hey,
so there should be standardization.
Yes, because yes, I will follow Ambla. What's the dynamic Kejan now will be provided.
Bets, yes.
This is encouraging.
87.9 Kumasi.
Yamfa Sadama Abuafo.